Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's exciting because I'm going to be showing you guys 3 different ways where you can maximize the amount of money you get back from your everyday purchases. Whether it's shopping online, going to the grocery store, using your debit card or credit card. I'm going to show you 3 different ways for you to maximize the amount of return that you can get back from your everyday purchases. So without further ado, let's get started.
So what you're going to do is you're going to go to Rakuten.com on your webpage. You can either sign in or join now with your Google, your Facebook, or your Apple account. So I'm just going to sign in because I already have a Rakuten account. So once you sign into your account, this is how the first page will look. This basically will show you all the stores that you can shop in and all the cash back that you can get for shopping at each store. In the upper right corner, you'll see this refer and earn 20 plus. And basically what this is that if you refer someone, you can get $20 if they make a purchase of $20 or more. And if they utilize your code that is linked. You can share that link through Facebook, text, or email. Then when you go back to the main screen to the left, if you click those 3 lines, you'll see all the stores that you have access to. So these are all the stores where you can get cash back. And it has them in alphabetical order. And it'll tell you if the store doesn't have a discount or if only coupons are available for that store. Now I'm going to scroll down to the section for in-store cashback. So if you have your debit or credit card linked to your account, you can actually link it here with add new card. You can link whatever offer it is, so that way if you shop at H&M, Finish Line, you can get the percentage back for shopping at those stores. I am then going to be clicking on my account to show you guys my cash back that I'm going to be receiving here, and it shows my check history, my account settings, my wallet, and the next is the help. So basically with this section, it'll tell you information regarding your check. So how do you track it? Any questions that you may have. So I'm going to click on the payment schedule so you guys can get an idea of how payments are distributed. So I'm just scrolling down. I believe if you have to have at least $5 in order for them to send you a check. So this is the purchases posted between. So if you make purchases between these dates, that's when on the left column, the right side is when your check will be distributed to you. And then this is back to the main page. So another good way to earn points or cash for your purchases is through an application called Fetch. So you download the application from the App Store, you log in with your information, and what you can do is you can check your email for receipts that you may have. As you can see, I have none. Or you can snap a photo of your grocery receipt or any receipt that you have, and you will get points for those receipts. Depending on the products that you purchase, you get more points for some more than others. And basically, this is a summary of all my points earned and the history. As you can see, I have about 15,000 points, and those points can be utilized towards gift card purchases or entry sweepstakes. So I think this is another great option for those who do a lot of in-person shopping and have a lot of receipts that they can just simply snap a photo and upload onto the account so they can get extra money for their purchases.
So those are just 2 ways where you can earn your max potential benefits on your purchases. The last way is using a cash rewards credit card. So for example, Bank of America has a cash rewards credit card where you can get 1%, 2%, and 3% cash back. You get 1% on your everyday purchases, 2% on purchases at the grocery store or Costco or BJ's, and the last is 3% back in a category of your choosing. So the category can be transportation, it can be travel, it can be online shopping, and a few others. Basically what you can do is if you are purchasing an item off of Rakuten and you have a cash rewards credit card, you can utilize your cash rewards credit card to make the Rakuten purchase. So you will get whatever percentage. For example, if it's 10% back at Macy's and you're getting an additional 3% back for shopping online, you're getting a maximum total of 13% on whatever purchase you're making, which means extra money in your bank account. Now with Cash Rewards credit card, the way of redeeming them is to wait till your period or your statement cycle ends, and then you can redeem your rewards. With Bank of America, after your statement cycle ends, you can redeem whatever amount you have there. Some banks will give you a minimum that you have to meet in order to redeem your rewards. So a lot of banks have like a $25 minimum that you need to reach, and then you can redeem your rewards. With Bank of America, you're able to redeem whatever amount you accumulated. So if you accumulate $5, you're able to redeem those $5 at the end of your statement cycle and utilize that towards wherever you want. So you can use it as a statement credit to pay your credit card, or you can put it into your debit account to utilize it for whatever purchases you need. Now that doesn't mean to use your credit card for every purchase. We don't want anyone getting into debt here. But basically what you can do is, if you have the money to make a purchase in your account, utilize your credit card that's gonna give you cash back, and then transfer the money over that you would have utilized in your debit card to make that purchase. Plain and simple, you're getting a percentage back for your purchase as opposed to not getting a percentage back. You have the money to pay for it, so just pay off your credit card as soon as you make that purchase, which makes it easier for you to get cash back and rewards just for your everyday purchases. So if you guys find this video educational, please leave a comment down below. If you guys have any questions, please feel free to ask me down below. If you like this video, please comment, subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and hit that notification bell. I look forward to seeing you guys in my next video. Thank you. Bye.